To MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2015 Mercedes-Benz GLA-45 Turbo. Nice machine. So a lot like the CLA, only this is the SUV counterpart of the CLA. This is the GLA, where you have the hatchback convenience with large trunk, fold down rear seats, and even a little ski boot if you are inclined to go skiing. Underneath here is the tire blow-up kit and a little bit of storage space that you could put some stuff in. That's pretty cool. Over here is your first aid kit, and over here are your wheel locks in nice little compartments. It has the blind there to cover all of your stuff that you want to put in there. It's got a power tailgate that you saw me push the button for right there. Great looking back end. Just super looking machine with the dual port exhaust. Nice rear spoiler, AMG written all over it. Big diffuser down the back here, and then the super nice wheels, the 20-inch wheels there by Mercedes with the cross-drilled rotors and super brakes, because when you go fast, you do need to stop. Inside, it's got the nice sports seats, as you can see, fold-down armrest, fold-down rear seats, really nicely designed AMG floor mats, little mat pockets in the doors, very convenient. On the fronts here, you've got your AMG that lights up, the AMG and the floor mats. There's your books right there. Nice, comfortable seats. Have a look in the door frames there. I'm just going to check the glove box and see what else. So this full set of books is there, and wow, it's super clean, really nice. Love the brushed aluminum along the dash there. It's a really good look, nice and sporty feel. And have a look at the shifter knob on there, the AMG embroidered logo right there. The passenger seat is fully power with memory and nice baseball stitching along the doors there. What a super nice car. It has a blind spot information system, so that little triangle will light up orange or red. Again, it's the turbocharged engine. You can see the wheels are in great shape, tires look fabulous, brakes are cross-drilled, giant size calipers on those brakes to stop you, and giant size rotors. Because under the hood here, you've got the 355 horsepower engine, 332 foot-pounds of torque. As you can see, it's designed and handcrafted by Mercedes-Benz AMG. So this is no fooling around. This is not just a sticker. This is the real deal. Lots of power to push you around and have some fun in this little SUV. So pretty awesome, clean, tidy, really nice. Let me close the hood here for us so that we can see the front. Nice Mercedes-Benz logo right there, the big star in the front, which is the traditional iconic look. Super looking machine from the front. Down here on the front diffuser, because it's super low, it's probably touched a curb there. No big deal, it's way down low, you're hardly even going to see it. Stone chips, there might be a couple there that could be bugs or a stone chip, but nothing major. I think there's a little stone chip right there in the hood. Again, nothing major, it's just there. Here's your front wheel, Continental Supreme contacts, 20-inch wheels, again, cross-drilled rotors, giant size calipers and rotors, all painted and ready to go. Have a look at the back wheel, also in great condition, and with those nice brakes for stopping power. In the back seat, again, you've got those nice little mat pockets at the bottom of the seats there, illumination, fold-in armrest, super comfortable. On the driver's door, you've got a driver memory package there, as well as your power windows, power locks, power folding mirrors, and your power tailgate right there. So you've got auto lamp system right there, which operates that. You've also got lumbar adjustments for the seat as well. Seat's in great shape, very low kilometers on this car. Let's climb in and we'll fire it up. Nice, nice little machine. Wow. Super. 19,179 kilometers currently. Let me close the door so that we can get that light to go out and you'll get to see. We'll take off the emergency brake there. No lights on, seatbelt only. Over here you've got your factory navigation. You've also got, let me just throw it in reverse there. You've got your backup camera. Not only does it have a backup camera, but it has the typical Mercedes what do you call it, radar, so you can see it lights up and lets you know if there's something there. So parking assist right there. with radar. Down here is your automatic dual zone air conditioning, so we'll just hit that and you can see they both move together, or you can move them individually. So 22 degrees, a good temperature. It's got the auto start. You've got not auto start, you know what this is. This is when you pull up to a stoplight and it turns off on you. If you don't like it, turn it off. So some people like it, some people don't. It's to save fuel, so if you like to save fuel, you'll leave it on. The radio system operates there, as well as here on the console, so that you can easily reach it. Let me show you underneath here. You've got your USB and line in right down in there for hooking up your phone to play tunes, etc. Really nice design of the dash there. It's really cool with the round ports for the air conditioning. Really awesome. And then you've got a panoramic sunroof up here. We'll just hit a couple of buttons and see if we can make that roof do something. There you go. That's the blind. So let me open the blind all the way, and then we'll open the roof a little bit and show you that it's working just fine. Awesome. Nice, ginormous size panoramic roof. That's very cool. I'll just close it to show you that it's working really well. No worries. Awesome. Closes up really nice. Garage door opener built into the rear view mirror. So awesome, awesome vehicle. Let me show you up here. Yes, there's visor, vanity mirror, and yes, it lights up. So all is good. Have a look in the door frame as I'm getting out. Really beautiful. What a great looking machine. So it comes with that really nice exhaust system that sounds absolutely fabulous. GLA AMG side skirts, as well as front and rear diffusers, the unique wheels, the brakes, but the real deal, of course, is that hand-built engine, which produces some serious horsepower in a little machine like this. So here it is and available at munromotors.com. That's a 2015 GLA 45 Turbo AMG. Come on down and have a look at it here. munromotors.com. See you real soon.